We are in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a 50-gallon Bradford white natural gas water heater. Model number, serial number right here. If you take this serial number right here, take it over to bradfordwhite.com and hit register. You can give me your details, get your warranty going on this. It is 1 year labor, 6-year parts. And then also, once you register this, give them your email address and all that. They will, one time they'll offer you the ability to change this warranty to a 10-year. Totally up to you. I don't recommend one way or the other. But what it does is it covers parts for up to 10 years. Most customers decline it, but anyways, that's up to you. Up on top, we replaced the valve here, so it was a gate valve, and we replaced that, put a 1/4 inch, a Watts 3/4 inch full port quarter-turn ball valve. So quarter-turn on, quarter-turn off is the handle right there. Brass nipple Falcon stainless steel connector over to the cold water, and then hot water Falcon stainless steel connector over to the hot water. And those are brass extensions on the tank. We like to use those because we can make them nice and flat, and it seats with the gasket real well. You can see we got some brass nipples in the wall as well. The galvanizer that were in there were a little corroded, so brand new brass nipples there. Brand new vent pipe, and that's the single wall vent pipe going up to your existing ceiling bucket. So new venting up to there, and this is the relief valve, comes with the unit. Piece of pipe, and this is a drain line only, so you don't have to worry about discoloration of water or anything with that galvanized pipe. So this is a safety feature, temperature and or pressure. If it gets too high, that little lever right there will pop up, and it will release the pressure and the temperature in the form of water to this drain line, which terminates outside that back door, close to the ground outside. Adjustable straps on the upper third, and then adjustable straps on the lower third. Brand new gas valve, brand new gas connector, and then of course the tank itself, that's ours. So anyways, you get the warranty going on that. If you don't register it, what they'll do is within 6 months of manufacture date, I'm not sure exactly when it was manufactured, this right here, if you look that serial number up, or look it up for Bradford White warranty, or how to tell when it was built, it'll tell you that these letters and or numbers mean certain dates, and it'll tell you when it's manufactured. So if you don't register it, what'll happen is within 6 months of the manufacturer date of this water heater, they will automatically start the warranty on this water heater. So anyways, burner's lit. We have it set at 120. We always set it at 120 for liability purposes. What you have here is hot 120, A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. We recommend leaving it at 120. It's probably what you had your other one at. Some people like it a little hotter. If you have little ones, infants or elderly, anybody with thin skin, or we have some customers that have dementia and other issues where they don't remember that water, it can get hot and they leave their hands in it too long. So any issues like that, I recommend leaving it turned down to 120. That's why we leave it there for liability. B140, certainly, if you turned it up to 140, that's great. You're going to send hotter water to all your fixtures, which will actually, you'll use hotter water, so you'll use less hot water because you'll be mixing it with more cold water. If that makes sense. But anyways, we have to, we videoed that and documented to let you know that's where we left it. So right there, scalding risk increases with hotter water. So just be mindful of that. Anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.